Okay, helium mana, it's not worth it at all. Okay, I've been mining helium for over 3 months right now, and I only have two heliums, like two HNT. Okay, and I can tell you, I've tried my level best, upgrade the antenna, put in a different location. Okay, I did do all the best like I can, so I can earn as much as I can. But I can tell you, there are some days it goes like 5 days like without anything, like it's not mining anything, and I can check the mine and everything is good, the lights, everything is good, it's not blinking anything. But 5 days, 3 days, sometimes nothing, like I don't earn anything. So that's what I just want to say, man. Anybody out there that you think like you want to get into helium mining and stuff, man, just save your money. Don't even buy it. I don't care even somebody tells you it's 200 or 100. You're not gonna make that good money. You're not gonna make anything, and else like you just want to do like Bitcoin or other big coins out there. But for this one, it has a lot of stipulations, which it's not good for a miner, man. It's not good for any guy out there. You're putting your hard ass money to work, to get that passive income. You're not even gonna even like make a half of what you paid for. So that's just according to me. So you tell me, what's your experience? Thank you.